Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore one more important concept in SAP S/4HANA sourcing and procurement. So today we are going to be discussing a standard material types given by the SAP. Along with that material types, we are going to be discussing about a field reference and account category reference. For that, every standard material types for the material master creation in SAP S/4HANA. So first of all, let's go into the SAP screen. We have to use a transaction code OMS2 for the material type configuration. Otherwise, by following the path also we can jump. So in SAP, in a sourcing and procurement, so first important material type is your raw material. So as we are purchasing the raw material for the our organization to make a finished product for the production department here. So for the raw material, so SAP standard material type is here ROH. Click on a position, put material type as ROH here. So this is your raw material standard. RM means raw material standard. So click on that raw material standard and click on a details. As you click on a details, so here we can able to see the standard field reference. Field reference can be used for your field selection into the SAP. Field selection in the sense what? The which field is required and which field is optional in your material master creation part as an end user. So that can be controlled by your field reference. Okay. So for the standard raw material type ROH, the field reference is ROH. Okay. Similarly, then valuation. Okay. As you know, while creating the material master, we have to select the valuation class. Okay. And that valuation class can be controlled by your account category reference. So SAP has given the different account category reference for the different material types. Okay. So for the standard raw material type, account category reference is your 0001. Okay. So because of this account category reference, we can able to see the different or a standard valuation classes while creating the material master here. So here, this is the list. Okay. 0001 for the raw material, 0002 for the operating supplies. Okay. So different valuation classes will be coming because of here this different account category reference here. For the raw material, so SAP has given the 0001 as a standard account category reference, which can be controlled for your valuation class. Now, after the raw material, the second important material type is your semi-finished. So for the semi-finished material type, HALB given by the SAP. So this is the standard semi-finished material type. Select, go on a detail view. So HALB is your standard semi-finished material type and a field reference for that is your HALB. Okay. So whatever the fields can be controlled by this field reference HALB here. Similarly, now go to the account category reference. So account category reference for the semi-finished material, it's a 0008 here. Okay. So valuation classes will be controlled by using this account category reference. Okay. Now, after the semi-finished, next material type is your finished. Okay. So for the finished product, FERT is your material type, which is the standard given by the SAP FERT. Click on that FERT, finished product standard. Click on a detail. So here, FERT, material type, and FERT is your what? Field reference, which can be control your field selection into your that material type. Similarly, if you scroll down, then we have the account category reference is a 0009 for the finished product. Okay, every material type have their own specification, have their own account category reference and field references is here. Okay, now come back. So after the finished product, we can go for the spare part. Okay, so for the spare parts, which is required for the maintenance kind of the purpose in our organization. The material type given by the SAP, it's your ERSA. This is the standard spare part material type given by the SAP. Okay, so by copying from that, we can able to create a custom material types here. Okay, so go to the ERSA, click on a detail. So as you click on the detailed view, we can able to see the field reference for the spare part is your ERSA, and account category reference is a 0003 here. Okay, as I mentioned, every material type SAP has given the standard and a different account category reference for the valuation kind of the purpose here. So 0003 for the spare part. Next, after the spare part, we can go for the packaging material. So for the packaging material, the standard material type is your VERP. Search for the VRP, select, click on a detail. So VRP is your packaging material. So that's why item category group will be coming as a VRP as well. And field reference is also the VRP here. And account category reference is here, your 0004. Okay. So this is your nothing but the integration of your SAP MM and FI for the automatic account determination here. Okay. But today we are just understanding the standard account category reference for each and every material type and a field reference for your material type and standard material types, which is given by the SAP VRP. Then next, we can go for your trading goods. For the trading goods, the SAP material type is your HAWA. Okay, you have to go for this is the standard trading goods, which is given by the SAP. Select it, click on a detail. HAWA. The field reference is also here, same as the material type. And if you scroll down, then account category reference is a 0005 for the trading goods here, which is the standard. As per our requirement, you can able to customize. See, below are the few custom account category references are here. After the trading goods, we have the services. Go to the SCRV. Okay, so this is newly introduced material type in SAP S/4HANA sourcing and procurement. Before that, for the services, we are using the DIN. Okay, but now in SAP S/4HANA, it is a SCRV. So select service standard, then click on details. So for the services, we have the account category reference as a 0006, which can be controlled for your valuations, and field reference is your SCRV. Okay, then now we have the non-valuated materials. Okay, NLAG. Go for the NLAG, which is the NLAG is for the non-stock materials. Select the NLAG for the non-stock. Go on the details. For the NLAG or for the non-stock materials, the field reference is your NLAG, and again account category reference is your 0010, which is the standard for your non-stock material. Similarly, non-valuated materials also there, correct? For the non-valuated materials, the material type given by the SAP is your UNBW. Okay, go to the UNBW, click on it here, go on the details. So here, similarly, the field reference is also available as a UNBW here, and account category reference for the non-valuated material is your 0007. Okay, so like this, almost more than 10 plus material types, which is standard given by the SAP, okay, which have a different field references, and they have their own or a different or specific account category reference, which can be controlled their valuation as a part of your SAP MM and SAP FI integration part here. Okay, so these are the standard material types given by the SAP, their field references, and the account category references for the accounting purpose here. Okay, let's go for the summary now. Okay, so as we have discussed, the raw material, semi-finished material, finished material, spare parts, packaging, then returnable transport packaging, LEIH, okay, trading goods. Then again, we have the pipeline materials as well here. Okay, pipeline, services, non-stock, and non-valuated materials are here. Okay, so let's see for the returnable as well here. Okay, so returnable material type is your what? LEIH. Okay, so SAP has given the for the returnable packaging materials, like in our industry, it can be used majorly here. Okay, for the packing, returnable packing here. Okay, so LEIH is a field reference key, and account category reference is a 0004. Okay. And then pipeline. So for the pipeline procurement process, SAP has given the PIP, okay, which is the standard material for the pipeline products. Okay. We have a PIP reference and 0001 is your account category reference here. Okay. So these are the 11 standard material types. These are the notations for it. And then this is the standard field references. And these are the account category references are here as a part of your summary here. Raw material ROH, account category references are 0001. Finished, semi-finished, 0008, 0009. Spare part, 0003. Packaging material, 0004. Returnable packaging, LEH, 0004. Trading goods, HAWA, 0005. Pipeline, PIP, 0001. Services, SCRV, 0006. Non-stock, 0010. Non-related stock, UNPW, 0007. Like that, these are the all standard material types, descriptions, and their field references and account category references are here. Hope you guys learn new things here. If you want to learn more things in SAP S/4HANA sourcing and procurement, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel and visit our website www.taxskills.com. Thank you.